Hello, let's talk today about the benefits of popcorn. The popcorn, is it good? Find out if it's worth consuming popcorn. And your 10 benefits of popcorn. Popcorn, or popcorn, in Pará, also called pororoca, is a dish made from a special variety of corn, the popcorn, everta, which bursts when heated. When we heat the kernels of this corn quickly, its internal moisture is converted into steam. At a certain point, the pressure bursts the outer shell, turning the inner part into a loose mass of starches and fibers. Greetings and welcome to Nature of the Amazon channel. I ask you to subscribe and activate the bell. Leave yours. To strengthen the channel and share it with your friends and family so they can get to know our history of knowledge. And let's go by video. Etymology. Pipoca originated from the Tupi term pipoca, popping the skin, formed by joining pira, skin, and poca, burst. Pororoca originated from the Tupi term pororoca, gerund of pororog, to bang. 5. Description. Corn grown for popcorn production is a special variety, with smaller ears than traditional corn. Its grains can appear in various shapes, flattened, pointed, etc., and colors such as yellow, white, pink, purple. It has, as a characteristic, small grains containing hard or crystalline starch. It has the property of bursting when subjected to heating, originating the popular popcorn. Some cultivated varieties are Zelia and Colorado Pop 1. It is normally sown in the months of September to November, spring in most of South America. Cultivation. With a spacing of 0.8 meters between rows and 0.2 meters between plants, between 10 and 15 kilograms per hectare of seeds is normally used. Harvesting is manual or mechanical, with grains between 16 and 18% moisture. Popcorn must be marketed with a moisture content between 12 and 13%. Story. The first Europeans who arrived on the American continent described popcorn, unknown to them, as a corn-based snack used by the Indians both as food and as a hair ornament. Corn seeds used to make popcorn were found by archaeologists not only in Peru, but also in the present-day state of Utah, in the United States, which suggests that it was part of the diet of several American peoples. It is known that, initially, the Indians prepared popcorn with the whole cob over the fire. Then they started to put only the kernels on the embers until they invented a more sophisticated method, cooking the corn in a clay pot with hot sand. Popcorn was already sold at fairs and parks in the United States in the 19th century. At the end of that period, the first American movie theaters appeared and, with them, came street vendors and their carts with popcorn and sweets, a mixture of popcorn, peanuts, and burnt sugar. At first, movie theater owners turned up their noses and thought that popcorn distracted moviegoers. During the Great Depression, popcorn was relatively cheap and became popular. Thus, the popcorn business prospered and became a source of income for some struggling farmers. After World War II, with the popularization of TV, there was a small drop in consumption because Americans abandoned movie theaters to stay at home. But soon the habit of eating popcorn in front of the television was created, which again significantly increased the demand for popcorn. Popcorn nutritional information. Serving size, 25 g, 1 cup. The amount dv%. Per serving. Energetic value. 78 calories, 4%. Proteins. 2.7 g, 4%. Carbohydrates. 17 g, 6%. Saturated fat. 1 g less than 1%. Trans fats. 1 g or 0 g asterisk. Dietary fiber. 3.0 g, 12%. Sodium. 18 milligrams, 1%. Calcium. Less than 8 milligrams, less than 1%. Iron. 0.36 milligrams, 3%. It is called nutritional information. Facts label, nutrition information panel, also known as nutritional labeling, the table of information regarding the amounts of vitamins, minerals, fats, proteins, fibers, among others, per serving, contained in most product packaging. It is used to provide nutritional data that assist in the practice of healthy eating from industrialized products. Its practice and usability, as well as the content included in such labels, have differentials in several countries, such as Australia, China, the United States, and Mexico. Objective: the purpose of this tool is to make it clear what will be consumed, exposing data regarding quality, quantity, composition, and possible health risks, which may be generated by food, as established in the Consumer Protection Code. The main issues that make people read labels are health problems, disease prevention, religion issues, weight loss, curiosities, and comparisons between products and/or brands. However, there are difficulties regarding the interpretation of this labeling, which includes the form of presentation, little emphasis on the nutritional table, unattractive visuals, small letters, complex information, among other structural and appearance factors. Microwave popcorn. In 1981, the American giant General Mills registered the first microwave popcorn patent, which was responsible for the frightening growth of its consumption. Even though it is considered a food that can present certain health risks, the consumption of popcorn, after this invention, rose considerably in the following year. Popcorn Day in Brazil is celebrated on March 11th. In the United States, the date chosen by Popcorn Board is January 19th. Popcorn is considered the main snack and food symbol of the American state of Illinois since the year 2003. For you who are a popcorn lover, you will be happy with this article. We will bring you 10 benefits of popcorn. And for you who don't like it very much, pay attention, because you should start enjoying this food that is only good for your health. The 10 benefits of popcorn. 1. Digestion. Popcorn is a whole, natural grain, which contains all the bran fiber, minerals, B vitamins, and vitamin E. The fiber content keeps your body regular, stimulates peristaltic movement, and induces secretion of digestive juices. Both help keep your digestive system healthy. 2. Cholesterol reduction. Fiber is extremely important for our body. Cereals contain fiber that helps to remove excess cholesterol from the walls and blood vessels. 3. Controlling diabetes. Another impact of fiber on the body is the impact on blood sugar. For those who suffer from diabetes, popcorn is always a recommendation. 4. Cancer prevention. Studies carried out in recent years have shown that there are a lot of antioxidants present in popcorn. What used to be considered a non-quality food, now in some cases becomes a recommendation. The popcorn kernel has amounts of polyphenolics, which is one of the types of antioxidants most powerful. 5. Against premature aging. Free radicals do much more damage than cancer. They are linked with wrinkles, age spots, Alzheimer's disease, weakness, hair loss, and cellular degeneration, among others. The antioxidants present in popcorn help fight these effects of free radicals. 6. Weight loss. Popcorn contains about 5 times less calories than the same amount in greasy potato chips. Eating popcorn makes you feel full and inhibits the release of the hunger hormone. It is low in saturated fat and its natural oils are healthy and essential for the body. 7. Heart. The presence of polyphenols mainly in the popcorn shell are powerful natural antioxidants. These antioxidants react by preventing your body from damaging your body's living cells. 8. Source of B vitamins. One amount of popcorn is not enough to supply the amount of vitamin B your body needs, but it certainly does. They play an important role in keeping your red blood cells healthy and growing naturally. Vitamin B complex also help convert food consumed into energy for your body. 9. The best choice at snack time. Beating French fries for their numerous benefits, popcorn can accompany you beyond the cinema. Popcorn also contains folic acid, which is very important for women of childbearing age. It acts as a protector of the heart. A good choice as an aperitif, mainly due to its small amount of calories. It acts as a source of energy. Helps in disease prevention. Many consume popcorn and feel guilty about it. However, know that it is the first snack of human beings, consumed in the last 5,000 years. Corn was a staple food of pre-Columbian colonizations, and it spread around the world. It gained more popularity in America during the Great Depression as it was something cheap. Did you like the nature of the Amazon channel? I ask you again to subscribe and activate the bell. Leave yours. Lay to strengthen the nature of the Amazon channel and share it with your friends and family so they can get to know our history of knowledge, and I say goodbye here. Bye.